it is one thing to hear there aren't enough vaccines in Wisconsin right now. It is another thing to see it.
That's UW Health's goal with a new COVID dashboard released today. Charlotte Deleste walks us through the new information and how it could help you figure out when your turn for a vaccine might come. Charlotte?
Susan and Eric, Dr. Matt Anderson looks at these new charts and is frustrated. They show UW Health has more than 22,000 people scheduled for their first dose, but only enough for about 1,000 of them. He says there are a few reasons for this. One, the federal government simply isn't sending vaccine out fast enough, but there are more vaccinators in the state than before. That means large-scale hubs like UW Health are getting a smaller piece of the pie.
We have 11 times the number of people to vaccinate than the supply we're getting this week. We have more than double the capacity to give vaccines than what we're getting this week. So, you start to do the math and it starts to become challenging.
Anderson says at this rate, Wisconsin likely would not hit the March 1st target date for starting the next phase of vaccines. The new online dashboard also has helpful reminders and registration tips for when it is your turn to get a vaccine. Anderson added the silver lining here is UW Health has gotten very good at efficiently giving out the doses it has, so when supply ramps up, they'll be ready.